So, ayan, i-fit na natin. So, look at this pretty dress. It's so cute. It's so cute. Ayan, see? So, this is the whole thing, guys. So klaro yung tiyan ko. But, yes, look. So, look at the design on the back. It's beautiful. So, it's beautiful. The tag. So, the tag is, look at that. Yes, mini. And it's beautiful right there. See, did you see that? Huh? It's cute, huh? That's beautiful. So, yeah. So, that's my dress from Forever 21. It's Forever 21. So, yes, that's the thing. Look. It's beautiful. And it's not warm. So, it's okay to wear on summer. Even you do the long sleeve, but it's really pretty. See? That's beautiful. See? Huh. Okay, let's try on the other one.